Good evening, Ritishri. Very good, beta. You send the note. Okay. Good evening. Good evening. Okay. Today we will do one more good evening, Ritishri. Hmm. Write a program to check whether given number is prime number or not. Okay. I want to check whether the given number is prime number or not. Okay. Here we have the first one is, first of all, what is the prime number? Which is divisible by 1 and itself. Which is divisible by 1 and itself. Okay, here local declaration. I need one variable. Very good, beta. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, like that. Okay, very good, Kirti. Okay, I need one variable, which is nothing but given number. Next, I want to increase that number because every time I want to divide with the next number. We can do using for loop, we can use while loop also. We can use for loop, we can use while loop also. Okay. If you are using for loop, no need to declare I. I will explain for loop. Okay. If you are using for loop, no need to declare I. Okay. Next, count. We have to count. Why we need to count? If it is divisible by that number, it will increase the count. Okay. If count is 2, then it is a prime number. It means it is divisible by two numbers, 1 and itself. Okay. Next, we can use clear screen, printf, enter a number. That number is digit and that number stores in n. Okay. Okay. Now we need to take I is equal to 1. Why? Because when you want to check a given number is a prime number, first you have to divide with 1. Next you have to divide with 2. Next you have to divide with 3. Next 4, 5, up to that number. For example, if you want to check whether 7 is a prime number or not, then we have to divide with the first 1, next 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have to divide from 1 to 7. In that, if 7 is divisible by any two numbers only, then it is a prime number. That is nothing but 1 and 7. So every time it will start from 1 only. It will start from 1. Okay. Here condition, while I less than or equal to n. Okay. While I less than or equal to n. Initially I value is 1. Okay. if n modulo I, if it is equal to 0, okay, here this equal different, it is nothing but it stores one value in I. Here it has two equal, it means here we have some value for this expression. If that is equal to 0, then do some perform. Okay. Increase the count value. Increase the count value. Okay. Next I plus plus. If count is equal to 2, then okay. Okay. Given number is prime number. Given number is prime number. Close the bracket. Else open the bracket. Okay. Printf. Okay. Given number is okay, prime number or composite number. Okay. Close the bracket. I close the main program. Okay. See, we will check the condition here. I want to check whether the given number is prime number or not. Initially, count value is 0. I entered one number. For example, I entered, assume what we have here, assume 6. Assume 6. No, okay, assume 5. I value is 1. I value is 1. It will check while I value is 1, 1 less than or equal to 5. Right? I 1 less than or equal to 10. Nothing but 1 less than or equal to this condition is true. Okay? Why? Because 1 is less than or equal to 5. Here. If n modulo I, which is nothing but 5 modulo 1, if it is equal to 0. If you divide 5 by 1, what is the answer? It is 0. Okay? It is true. Why? 5 modulo 1, which is nothing but 0 only. Okay? So the condition is true. It means here it is a true. When this condition is true, what will happen? It will execute this statement, count plus plus. Count plus plus, which is nothing but count plus 1. What is the initial value here? 0. What is the initial value of count? 0. So it is nothing but 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is nothing but 1. So now what is the count value? 1. So what is the count value here? It is 1. What is the count value? 1. Okay. Next. Okay. After completing this loop, it will execute this one. I plus plus. I plus plus. Which is nothing but I plus 1. What is the initial I value? 1. It means it is divided by 1. Now 1 plus 1, which is nothing but 2. So what is the I value now here? 2. Check here. Okay. I value is 2. What is I value? 2. Okay. Again it will check the condition while I less than or equal to n. So what is I value here? 2. What is I value? 2. 2 less than or equal to 5. Okay. 2 less than or equal to 5. It is a condition. Condition is true. Okay. So here it will check the condition if n minus, which is nothing but 5 percentile 2. When you divide 5 by 2, what is the remainder? It is not equal to 0. It is other than 0. When you divide 5 by 2, the result is other than 0. So the condition is false. So the condition is false. Okay. When this condition is false, it will does not execute this statement, this code, count plus plus. So still what is the count? Still the count is 1. Still the count is 1. Okay. So it does not execute this part, but it execute I plus plus because it is out of if loop. It will does not execute this. Why? Because it is a condition is true. But I plus plus, it is correct. Why? Because it is out of if loop. So I plus 1. So what is the I value? 2. 2 plus 1. What is 2 plus 1? 3. So what is the I value now? 3. Okay. Okay. Still n value is 5. Count value is still 1. And I value it is increases to 3. Again it will check the condition. While I, what is the I value? 3. 3 less than or equal to 5. I less than or equal to n. Which is nothing but 3 less than or equal to 5. So this condition is true or false? It is true. When it is true, it will execute this statement. If n modulo. What is the n value here? It is constant. It is 5 only. But I value is 3. Is equal to 0. When you divide 5 by 3, the remainder is 0. Is it true? No, it is false. When it is false, why? Because if you divide 5 by 3, the remainder is 2. Okay. So it does not execute or it does not increase the count value. So still the count is 1. So still the count is 1. But it executes this I plus plus because it is out of if loop. Okay. I plus plus. So which is not I. What is the I value here? 3. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 how much? 4. So what is the I value here? 4. Still count is 1 only. Okay, na? Yeah. Next. After that again it will check the while condition. While I less than or equal to. What is the I value? 4. Okay. 4. 4 less than or equal to 5. Condition is true? Yes, it is true. It will check this. Okay. 4. If you divide 5 by 4, the remainder is 1. 4 1 the 4, the remainder is 1. It is not equal to 0. So it is also false. When it is false, it will does not execute the below code, count plus plus. Okay. But it will increase the I value. Previously, what is the I value? 4. Okay. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1, how much? 5. So what is the I value now? 5. Okay. Again, it will check the condition while I less than or equal to n. What is the I value now? 5. 5 less than or equal to 5. It is true? Yes, it is a true. Okay. When it is true, it will execute the below statement. If n modulo 4, which is nothing but 5. Okay. 5. If you divide 5 by 5, the remainder is 5. So it is true. Okay. When it is true, it increases the count. Count plus plus. CNT is nothing but CNT plus 1. CNT plus 1. What is the count value here? 1 only. Okay. It is nothing but count is 1 plus 1. Count plus 1. How much? 2. So what is the count value now? 2. What is the count value? 2. Okay. Next, it increases the I value. I plus plus. 5, 1, 5 plus 1, which is nothing but 6. So what is the I value now? 6. Count is equal to n is equal to it is remaining same 5 only. Here I value 6 less than or equal to 6 is less than or equal to 5. Is it true? It is false. Okay. While 6 less than or equal to 5, it is a false. Okay. When it is false, it come out this loop. Server come to here. Okay. Next, it will check the if count is equal to 2. If count is equal to what is the count here? 2. So count is equal to. So it says given number is a palindrome number. Okay. Every time we have to save. Okay. This is about how to check whether given number is palindrome or not. Okay. Okay. Any other programs? Okay. This is about while loop. Now come to for loop. Do you have any doubts? Okay. Our next topic is for loop. Our next topic is for loop. Okay. What is the syntax? For initialization, condition, in, increment or decrement. Okay. Here you have to write down some statements. Okay, it is the syntax. For there are three parameters in for loop. One is initialization. We have to initialize the values. We have to give the condition. If the condition is true, it will execute this statement. If this condition is false, it is come out from the loop. Okay. Third parameter is increment or decrement. Increment or decrement. Okay. Any doubt regarding for loop? You can do all our programs like reverse number, palindrome, Armstrong number by using for loop. Okay. For example, the same program, write a program to check whether given number is prime number or not. Okay. That include okay. This is next void main. Here we have to write down declaration int n comma. Okay. See here in our previous program we have to declare three variables, right? Here no need to declare I. Okay, just declare n and count. N and count. Okay. Int n comma count. Initially count is 0. Okay. Here I am not declaring I value. Why? Because we declare I value in the for loop only. And use scanf. Okay. What is the use of scanf? I think all of you people know. After this, okay, we need for loop for I is equal to 1. For I is equal to 1. Okay. Yes, to read the values. Okay. Next, I condition. I less than or equal to n. I less than or equal to n. Next, I plus plus. Okay. Here in the for loop, no need to root, no need to write. Okay. Semicolon. Okay. Next, open the braces. Okay. If the condition is true, what will happen? We have to check if n modulo I is equal to 0. Then what we have to do? Printf given number is prime number. Sorry. Count plus plus. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Very good. Count plus plus. Okay. And close the bracket. And close the for loop. Okay. Here what happened? It will take the I value. Initially I value is 1. I less than or equal to n, condition and increment. All comes in one bracket. Next we have to check. If it is divisible by I, what is the initial value of I? 1. Next time it is increases. Okay. If it is equal to 0, then it will count. Okay. If it is not equal to 0, then we cannot count. Okay. Na? If count is equal to 2, then what we have to do? We have to ask compiler to print given number is prime number. Okay. Okay. Count is okay 2, then it is a prime number. Else, and within 10 minutes it will close them up. Okay. Tomorrow I will take some more time because tomorrow is a weekend for me. Okay. Tomorrow I will tell you whether we will start from 9 or 8. But tomorrow I will take some time, some more time. Okay. Okay. Close the bracket. Okay. So this is about find out whether the given number is prime number or not by using for loop. By using for loop. Okay, na? Yeah. Okay. This is about prime number by using for loop. For example, if I give in n value, okay, and one more, we will do one more beta. Okay. So we have only 8 minutes left, right? So we will stop till this session only. Okay. After that, again, tomorrow I will take 2 sessions, like 40 minutes and 40 minutes. Okay. Good evening, Kavita. Kavita Amma. Good evening, Chandrasekhar. Okay. So n value is something. Okay. So after this, we will complete this session. Okay. Next, we will take tomorrow like 40 to 40 minutes. Okay. Any doubt, beta, for this today's session? Okay. Tomorrow I will explain some more problems. Okay, by using for loop and while loop and do while loop. After that, we will start arrays, right? After that, we will start arrays. Okay. This is today's class. Okay. Any doubt, beta? Today's class. Tomorrow will take much time, and this Monday, because from coming Monday, the good thing is my shift time is morning 12:30 to 9. So we will take much time from this Monday. Okay, don't worry, because this September my shift is like